If Earth's surface gravity suddenly doubled overnight, the very first thing you would notice wouldn't be a dramatic cosmic explosion. It would be the terrifying weight of your own body. At double gravity, a 150-pound human instantly weighs 300 pounds. Sitting up in bed would feel like performing a heavy bench press, and standing up would require an athletic feat of leg power. But the physical strain on your muscles is actually the least of your concerns. Inside your body, your circulatory system is engineered to pump blood upward against a precise 1G gravitational field. Double that force, and your heart must generate twice as much pressure just to get oxygen to your brain. Without immediate physiological adaptation, millions of people would suffer instant fainting or severe cardiovascular failure as blood pools in their lower extremities. Over time, human bones, joints, and cartilage would face severe compression, leading to structural degradation, while future generations, if any survived, would evolve to be much shorter, stockier, and possess thick, dense skeletons. Beyond our biology, human engineering would begin to buckle almost instantly. Modern architecture isn't built with massive safety margins for fundamental physics. It is optimized for efficiency based on known constants. Bridges spanning wide rivers are designed to hold specific dead loads and dynamic traffic loads under normal gravity. Double the gravitational pull, and the structural weight of the steel and concrete itself doubles. Cable-stayed bridges would drop into rivers under their own weight, suspension cables snapping under the sudden tension. High-rise skyscrapers wouldn't necessarily crumble into dust immediately, but their foundational columns and structural joints would experience immense stress, leading to catastrophic structural failures across major cities worldwide. Transportation as we know it would fundamentally collapse. Commercial airplanes are designed around precise lift-to-weight ratios. In a double-gravity environment, wings generating the exact same aerodynamic lift could no longer overcome the doubled weight of the aircraft. Planes in flight would instantly lose altitude, unable to maintain level flight without twice the lift, which current jet engines and wing surface areas simply cannot provide. Meanwhile, satellite networks including GPS, weather monitoring, and communications would be thrown into chaos. If Earth's mass doubled to create this gravity, low Earth orbit satellites would instantly find their orbital velocity insufficient to maintain altitude, causing them to decay and burn up in the atmosphere within days. The planet itself would undergo violent physical transformation. Double gravity means Earth's atmosphere would be pulled down much closer to the crust. Atmospheric pressure at sea level would double, transforming the air into a dense, thick blanket. While this higher density would slightly increase aerodynamic lift for surviving birds or specialized aircraft, the immense surface pressure would alter global weather patterns, creating supercharged winds, intense storm systems, and altered thermal distribution. Beneath our feet, the doubled gravitational force would exert immense downward pressure on the Earth's crust and tectonic plates. Fault lines under high strain would rupture simultaneously, triggering global earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and massive sea level shifts as the oceans are pulled tightly into deeper basins. Trees and plant life would face a similar structural crisis. Tall redwoods and oaks rely on capillary action and transpirational pull to draw water up hundreds of feet from their roots. Under double gravity, pulling water upward becomes twice as difficult, killing high canopy forests and favoring low-lying, sprawling ground vegetation. Ecosystems would be reshaped from the ground up. Ultimately, a world with twice the gravity reveals a profound truth about our existence. Gravity isn't just a passive background condition, it is the silent architect of everything we see. From the thickness of an elephant's leg to the arch of a stone bridge, from the height of a tree to the blood pressure in your veins, everything on Earth is meticulously tuned to a single constant. Change that constant, and the entire fabric of nature and human civilization must be rewritten from scratch.